everybody, welcome back to the channel, welcome back for another video. So it is quite early this morning, but we have good reason to get up this early, and that's because we are going to the Adam LZ open house. So I'm pretty excited about that. It's gonna be awesome. There's gonna be tons of YouTubers there. I know Cletus is gonna be there. Obviously Adam's gonna be there. Who else? There was literally a whole list of people that's gonna be there. So hopefully we get to see some of them. If not, we're at least gonna get to see some awesome cars today. It is, however, a decently far drive. It's about 2 hours and 15 minutes. So we're gonna head it out this morning. Starts at 11:30. It's like 8 something now. We are going to be taking the Subaru. We're going to be picking up my buddy Joe. He's coming with. It's going to be a good day. Going to be a good time. Stay tuned. We're not taking the Skyline mainly because, well, terrible gas mileage. And yeah, it's 2 hour and 15 minute drive. It would make it, but yeah. Anyway, but we also are in the midst of doing something here to the front of the Skyline. Now, if you guys want to see what that is, you're going to have to tune in. The next episode, which should be posted just a couple days from now. So check out that, but without further ado, let's get out of here and let's go pick up Joe. Unfortunately though, if you do live in my neighborhood, I apologize for this cold start of the Subaru this early in the morning. All right, everybody, we made it here. It was a very long line to get in. Joe took a nap, but we're here. It's packed. There's gonna be a lot of cars to check out, a lot of stuff to see. Yeah, let's start with doing it. By the way, the Subaru over here got into the kind of VIP section, so that's cool. Dang, it's crowded already. Hasn't even really started yet. LS Miata. Pretty sick. We got that dude in blue's Mustang. It's pretty cool. Don't know where he's at, but we got the Adam LZ Skyline. There she is. So what do you guys think of Mr. LZ's R32, huh? The famous Skyline drifting around. Very cool. Backing up the 240.
Okay, backing it up.
He looks like he's stressed. Got TJ Hunt's RX-7. This thing's sick. Bulk wheels on there. Very cool, very clean. That turbo though. Driftology. Man, you're in the VIP section, dude.
Look here, I was in that long ass line up front and nobody turned down the other road.
I thought about doing that.
I turned down the other road, I pulled right in here and parked. And nobody said a damn thing to me, so I parked wherever.
You know what though? We were in that line too, and they were parking everybody over here, and they let us go park over there with the nice cars.
Bro, I just came.
I don't even have the Skyline, I have the Subaru. That was the awesome part about it. I'm bringing the Skyline.
So you gotta do,
but yeah, you still got in the good section. Yeah, you're right by all the cars. Hell yeah.
Whatever.
Yeah, this is the guy who hoons everywhere in Tampa. You just check his stuff out there. Tampa St. Pete. I thought you were gonna drift for me soon.
Yeah.
You gotta take me for a ride.
Yeah, we gotta. No, not on these wheels. These are pretty.
Yeah, I like the DS wheels.
I got 17s in the back, but yeah, we gotta make a video. That's gonna be fun.
We're gonna make it.
Yeah.
We're gonna make it. Dude, there's Mike's chaser.
Yeah, I saw.
I was trying to say to you. I was like, isn't that this chaser?
Skyline guy, right?
So yeah, Mike's not even here, oddly enough. I'm pretty sure that Adam actually bought this off of Mike. So Mike, if you're watching this video, here's your car, buddy. Here's your car, buddy. You bet you wish you didn't sell it. So we got a pretty decent lineup here. RIP to Mike's car there. We got kind of a lineup. Got a 34. This one's clean, huh? I like the wheels. Nice carbon hood on there. Oh yeah. Some clean Drift 240s. And I see something over here. Another Skyline sedan. All right, that's what I'm talking about. Pretty nice. If you're watching this video, thumbs up. This thing is nuts. Dang. There is an LS Miata here though, which is gonna be pretty cool. Let's check it out. There's this one. There's this one. Check this one out though, guys. Man. Super clean. I guarantee this thing is just a riot. Just a riot to drive. Color's not bad. Ah, nice 1M. You don't see too many of these, but looks pretty legit. I like the orange. It's pretty cool. Pretty sick. This one's pretty nice as well. Look at this wing though. Dang. Solid. The line to get into this place is down the street. I think they're honestly full at this point. Doesn't look like there's any spots left, but people are coming from all over to check all this stuff out, which is pretty cool. I haven't seen Cletus yet, but we'll try to find him. It's a pretty tall guy, kind of hard to miss. Wow, this blue Subaru though, mint. So this is at the BC Racing coilover kind of headquarters here. So that's kind of cool. We're gonna go inside and check it out. Here's some cool RX-7s. What? You see this? What did they do? What's going on here? That doesn't belong there. We got a Jay-Z swapped RX-7 apparently. All right. I like this blue. Isn't this that one? I know him. Both worlds. Yeah, right? Got the rotary, whatever, the color on this one. You guys have seen this one on the channel before though. This is the one that I wanted to sell the Skyline for. But if I could, I would. A little wide body on it. Dang. Totally crazy. And he drives this thing on the street. I bet it is a riot. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. It's confirmed we're doing a video on the Jay-Z RX-7. Just confirmed it with the owner. So look forward to that one when it actually happens. He actually owns both of these, which is nuts. But this one's gonna be interesting for sure. Let's check out the BC showroom. Yep. It's cool. So we got all their series of coilovers on the wall. Some wheels. It's cool. Kind of goes over each one and says what it is. I believe those are the top of the line. I had those. Joe, what did you do? What, Joe? What? Why? Why did you do this, Joe? There's plenty of bathrooms around here, Joe. Everyone's saying hi to TJ Hump, but what about Dustin?
What's up, man?
How you doing, man?
Nice to meet you,
Nice to meet you.
Take this ring.
Oh yeah, okay. 1, 2, 3. That's good to me.
Got it.
There you go.
Yeah, dude, don't worry. Take it easy.
Nice to meet you, sir.
What's up? How are you?
Good, man.
Want to get a photo?
Oh, for sure. Actually, we're getting some video.
Oh, okay.
We really want to get a food vlog in for you guys, but this is, look at this line. Look at this line. It goes, oh my God. We want to be up there, guys. We want to be up there. Unfortunately, we're not even in line. Not even in line. It's getting super crowded here now, guys. It's kind of hard to get footage of anything, honestly. The only person that's not here yet is Cletus. Not seeing Mr. Cletus McFarland. Where are you? You said you were going to be here.
12 seconds later.
Cletus has arrived. And he's got something in the trailer, I'm sure.